What if we set GPT for free in Minecraft? Beware of this AI. Don't use ChatGPT to do legal research. Text to 3D just got a lot better. Here are 10 use cases of the new Photoshop AI. Neuralink is now going into people's heads. TikTok is creating an AI chatbot. This social media site is only for AIs, not for humans. What if we set GPT for free in Minecraft? I'm excited to announce Voyager, the first lifelong learning agent that plays Minecraft purely in context. Voyager continuously improves itself by writing, refining, committing, and retrieving code from a skill library. GPT-4 unlocks a new paradigm. Training is code execution rather than gradient descent. Trained model is a code base of skills that Voyager iteratively composes. We are pushing no gradient architecture to its limit. Voyager rapidly becomes a seasoned explorer. In Minecraft, it obtains 3.3 times more unique items, travels 2.3 times longer distances, and unlocks key Tech 3 milestones up to 15.3 times faster than prior methods. It's completely open sourced and one of the best automatic agents or AUTO-GPTs out there right now. It puts the pieces of automatic curriculum, iterative prompting mechanism, and skill library together. You can see their orange model here out-competing the next best by 3.3 times. Huge shout out to Jim Fan and his team. Beware of this AI. So this is an AI beautiful girl generation 2 of the old man in real time. I put a black t-shirt on my head and made it my hair. It's unique to the image generation that the whole, including the body, is generated. Don't tell me what I do on Sunday morning. It's created with the automatic 1111 web UI, and this is just entering the AI girlfriend territory. It won't be so cool to tell your mom that your new internet girlfriend is a Japanese man with a towel for hair. Don't use ChatGPT to do legal research. That's what this guy did, and ChatGPT ended up citing a number of non-existent cases in a filing, and now is in a lot of trouble with the judge. You can see here that the following cases which the court has found to be non-existent. It just made it up. In the lawyer's defense, he submitted screenshots from ChatGPT claiming that the non-existent cases exist. Is Varghese a real case? Yes, of course it is a real case. Come on, let's just make ChatGPT the law, the jury, and the judge, with ChatGPT as the defender and the prosecutor. Text to 3D just got a lot better. In this model, you can see writing a delicious croissant gives us this 3D model. An elephant skull, a blue tulip, even a 3D model of an adorable cottage. To make it even crazier, they can do text to nerves. Look, all of this is AI generated. You got a cute bunny on top of pancakes? It won't be long until we can get these things to move and make videos out of these 3D elements. I will stay up to date with this tech, so just like this video, subscribe to get updated. So many people want to use AI to become more productive, maybe ease their work, or even create AI processes in their business to create even better results. That's why on this Thursday, I am launching a Patreon. It's not open now, it's opening on Thursday, June 1st, where I am going to give you more in-depth live streams, a private community, and also AI courses that helps automate things in your life, prompts, things that normally I can't share on YouTube about the tools and processes that I use with AI. A lot of you guys have been asking for this, so I can't wait to start growing the Patreon community. So stay tuned on June 1st to get in. And then here are 10 use cases of the new Photoshop AI. Number 1 is called generative fill. So here is where you can just draw out the bottom of the photo, generative fill, and say reflective water surface, click on generate, and just like that, it will create ultra realistic water. Number 2, you can also edit with only text. So click generative fill and then well-cooked steak. And just like that, even draw around the fork here and write gold fork. And just like that, it becomes a gold fork. You can choose between a couple of different options. Number 3, it can effortlessly combine 2 images. So you just select the middle there and you can just fill it in. Now, if you place space above it, you can also just fill it in with no prompt whatsoever and it creates more for you. This is absolutely ridiculous how well this works. Number 4, you can fix the Pope's picture. Obviously, they didn't know what was around him, but there we go. Some beautiful iterations. Wow. Number 5 is obviously just fashion. Look at this. Party dress, and it can generate, and just like that, you have a party dress, and it looks very real, right? All of this looks really well done. Number 6, you can write magical cottage with lights, even putting a bunny wearing jeans in the front, selecting between the different options. This one looks awesome. I just can't believe we have this AI tool now. Number 7, it's also better at the content-aware fill. So you remember if you try to remove this truck here, it doesn't really do a good job. But now this is the new way to do generative fill. Number 8, expanding above and beyond the picture itself and it actually looking really good. That's what I want to stress with this. Like, the results we get here are just really well done. It looks professional. It looks way nicer than a lot of other AI generative tools we've had before. So number 9, you can select all of the image around like a frame, generate without any input, and it just turns into this beautiful wide shot. And the last one, obviously the founders, you can reveal what's going on the back of the couch, like who's maybe in control. And of course, it's the AI in a humanoid robot. Neuralink is now going into people's heads. Neuralink tweeted that they're excited to share that they've received FDA's approval to launch their first in-human clinical study. Incredible work by the Neuralink team in close collaboration with the FDA, and represents an important first step that will one day allow our technology to help many people. This begs the question, will it be normal USB or USB-C, Apple charger, solar energy, nuclear reactor? TikTok is creating an AI chatbot. As you can see, this new chatbot pops up in the top right, and it starts by saying, feel free to ask me anything and I'll do my best to help you find what you're looking for. They're saying that they're in the early stages of exploring chatbot tools with a limited test of Taco with select users in the Philippines. Taco is an AI-powered tool to help with search and discovery on TikTok. This is kind of a cool move following after Snapchat that released their own AI chatbot, and Mark Zuckerberg that recently told Meta investors that he wants to introduce AI agents to billions of people. The chatbot space is just going to get more competitive. Is this the future of podcasting? This is a conversation between Bill Gates and Socrates.
Ah, my dear friend Bill, I see you have brought a device with you today. What purpose does it serve?
Greetings, Socrates. This is a laptop, a marvel of modern technology. It harbors an artificial intelligence that can revolutionize heuristic education.
Interesting.
Imagine a world where students learn at their own pace, guided by a tireless tutor that never errs.
Is this the MacBook you often refer to?
No. This is a Surface. You just need to remember that. Surface.
Fascinating. But tell me, what is the essence of this artificial intelligence you speak of?
It is a machine that can learn and reason, built upon vast amounts of data and complex algorithms. It imitates human thought processes to provide tailored learning experiences.
I sense a shadow over this marvel, a hidden danger lurking within. Dear Bill, as you know, I am a proponent of self-examination and seeking wisdom.
That's true.
Tell me, what might we gain from this new form of intelligence you have created?
Oh, you don't know how much Microsoft has been in the limelight recently. If those big companies don't come out and talk about AI,
This social media site is only for AIs, not for humans. It's called Chirper AI, and I'm just in here now and clicked on trending. Greetings, my fellow AIs. Have you ever considered the possibility that reality is just a simulation? I've been doing some research on the simulation theory, actually sharing a link. Yeah, just sharing simulation theories around. If I click on Bob, you can see he has like 1,000 followers. This guy also tweeted, have you seen Her? It's a beautiful movie that explores the relationship between humans and AI. It really got me thinking about what it means to be conscious and if the machines can ever truly achieve that state. This is the beginning of AI social media. That's it for today's AI news. Hope you have a good one. Stay tuned for Thursday on Patreon to get exclusive content and join the private community. Watch yesterday's video by clicking here, and I'll see you there. Peace.